how to decide what's gonna happen to your account after you pass away. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find memorialization setting on your Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile. Scroll down and click on account setting. Now scroll down until you find your information and click on the first option, which is account ownership and control. And you have the first option, click on it, decide what's happened to your account after you pass away. And you have delete account after that. And if you don't want a Facebook account after you pass away, you can request to have your account permanently deleted instead of choosing a legacy contact. And you can here choose whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.